Right, so medyo iba ang setup natin ngayon, hindi tayo nag-smoke. Just wanted to make a short video for the recap and what's next for Wuchang Kualdo for the 2025. First off, maraming salamat sa suportang tunay sa pagtangkilik ng ating mga product sa ating maliit na passion project. At sa lahat ng nag-like, nag-share, nag-view ng ating mga contents throughout 2024, maraming salamat. So after 1 year, just a recap for 2024, we were able to smoke around 130 to 150 hours of peak session. So those are just peak session na naka-fire yung smoker natin. So hindi kasama dyan yung prep time, hindi kasama yung curing and yung slicing ng ating mga bacons. And maraming salamat sa lahat ng nagbigay ng kanilang mga feedback, sa mga nagsabi na masarap yung ating mga products. Hindi ko na kayo pinopost sa social media, pero I really appreciate the feedback and nakakawala ng pagod every time I see positive feedback sa ating mga pinaghihirapan na smoke meat. So just a recap on the milestones that we have for Wuchang Kualdo this last 2024. Number 1, there were 4 new products sa ating passion project. So those are bacons na medyo mahirap, no? Cook your pa, slice mo pa, hindi siya ganun kadali, pero it's something na we are very passionate about. A lot of R&D happened there. That's why wala tayong masyadong content this year kasi doon naubo sa R&D, no? Another thing is diner ribs. We tried to offer diner ribs, but we were able to get a few stocks only. We don't have the constant supply. That's why hindi pa siya naisasama lagi sa ating mga offerings. And the other one is, I think the best seller for this year is riblets. So yung riblets, it's born out of the vision that we have for Wuchang Kualdo, that we want every Filipino household to have a smoked meat. So that's one step to our goal by having an affordable and accessible smoked meat that wouldn't break the bank. So that's one. That's another. And the last one, pahabol lang itong Christmas season or itong holiday season natin, is the Hungarian sausage. So yeah, that's a recap for the product. In terms of content, we haven't churned out much content for last year, for 2024. For the smoke experiment, it's only the mechado and lengua that are prominent. But just a background, those two, doon nagsimula yung idea ko of having smoke experiment. So what if we smoke mechado? I like mechado. What if we smoke that? Favorite ko rin yung lengua. What if we smoke that? So that's when it started for me, for Wuchang Kualdo, to do experiments on Filipino dishes. Another thing is one of the biggest leap that we did for Wuchang Kualdo is the Off the Smoker series. So this series is, the concept of this is having like a smokehouse serve freshly off the smoker meat to our patrons. I don't have the smokehouse yet, but this is one big leap for us to do the service or the vision that we have. So what we do in the Off the Smoker series is I smoke the meat the night before or the early morning before the lunchtime. I'll smoke it, I'll prepare it so that around 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock it's ready. And then we'll prepare the rice, the side dishes, we'll prepare everything, and then right before the delivery time or the delivery courier comes in, we'll get the smoked meat from the smoker and to your package, and then we'll send it your way to enjoy your lunch, hopefully. So there, it was a very tiring but very fulfilling scheme of serving meat in my experience, because we are only two, me and my wife doing everything. I can go on and on about the challenges, but at the end of the day, it's very fulfilling, and I think we grew larger as Wuchang Kualdo by doing that. The third thing is I became part of the Pit Masters Club of the Philippines. This is, I think, one of the best decisions I made for 2024, because it grant me access to, one, network with the experts. I mean, I'm not the expert in this category. There are bigger names other than me in the smoking community here in the Philippines. So that's one thing. Another is the access to learning. So these experts doesn't gatekeep their knowledge, their expertise, and they are very, very willing to help you in upping up your game. So that's one. And the last thing is the events, the access to exclusive events. And I'll go into that further uh, into details on that one. So yeah, just the three of those, medyo ROI ka na. That's a small fee na kailangan mo bayaran to become a member. I'm not promoting this, but it's just my experience. This is very, very helpful if you want to have your smoking game up to par with the experts. So there. So yeah, last thing, last milestone for Woodchunk Waldo for the 2024 is that I I participated in 2 competitions this year. Nanalo ba ako? Hindi. Pero it's a great experience to be part of those. So number one is the first ever smoking competition, first ever smoking or rib competition here in the Philippines. So it's monumental, it's historic, manalo matalo, okay lang. I was just there for dapat for the content pero nalobat ako that time. So I was part of a pair teaming up to create the competition style ribs. So yung mga mismo ko, usually I smoke BB back ribs. This competition style ribs is very different, no? In terms of the cut, it's a St. Louis cut. And kung natikman nyo yung baby back ribs ko, sobrang lambot. For the competition, it should be tender but hindi fall off the bone. So it's something new to me and it's the first time I'm smoking it, and I thank my partner for helping me trim and conceptualize the recipe. So there, first ever competition, hindi kami nanalo, pero there were a lot of learnings. I saw other people's technique. I was able to meet other pit masters and they were very, very energetic, very, very helpful, very supportive in the competition. So thank you everyone for that one. So yeah, that's the first competition. The second competition was the day after that. So it's an event. It's I think a 3-day event. So day 2 was the rib competition. Day 3 was the steak competition. So I was there in the 3rd day with my family. We would just be strolling around, and I'll deliver bacon to one of my friends that has a booth there. And I saw Sir Alfred saying, Carlo is in the steak competition. He doesn't have a partner. Carlo is my partner during the rib competition. So being the good partner that I am, I partnered with him and joined the steak cook of competition. Did we win? Not again. So hindi na naman kami nanalo. Pero it was an experience since it was a good grill actually. And this is not a paid or a sponsored by Barrel Pro, but that grill was something that was really something that easy to work with. So it helped us doing the steak competition. And it's a monumental task to grill a 6-inch T-bone steak na hindi ka magsaserve ng hilaw sa mga judges. And the judges are really, matataas na tao yun eh. So medyo nakakahiya na. And meron pa nga akong naka-ano dun eh, naka-twinning na shirt, naka-competitor ko. I'll post the video, the picture later. So yeah, it was a milestone for Woodchunk Waldo to be part of competitions. And just a recap, those are the achievements of Woodchunk Waldo for 2024. And all of those were possible because of all your support, may it be financially in terms of buying products with us or being there to share the contents, having online presence. So there, and maraming salamat talaga sa suportang tunay, sa lahat ng tumangkilik, sa lahat na nag-like, nag-share, nag-subscribe. At especially nung rib competition, there are a lot of friends na nagulat ako nandun sila. And mula sa kaibuturan ng aking puso, maraming salamat. Alright, so ang dami kong sinabi sa recap, no? 2025 na. So what's next for Woodchunk Waldo this 2025? Actually, there are a lot. In terms of products, we are thinking to add new products in our passion project. Maybe smoke burger, maybe holiday ham. I've been doing R&D or research and development with the holiday ham last December, but I wasn't very much confident to sell it yet. That's why hindi siya sumama sa ating holiday package this year. So that's one thing. Another is, I don't know if I'll do like briskets Medyo long cook kasi yung brisket, kaya ayoko siya gawin talaga, to be honest. So if there are demands, maybe I'll try to do brisket. So those are the new products that we will be launching or possibly launching. In terms of contents, I'll do more reels. Hindi ako masyado naging consistent sa reels last year because of budget constraints din. No? Dahil lahat ng budgets natin ay nilagay natin sa research and development for new products. I'll do a lot of different series. So may it be videos or posting photos. Number one is I started it, the creatives, where I post applications of smoked products in other dishes. So I started this one with the pulled pork sandwich. More to come with the pulled pork before I go maybe on beef belly creatives. One is creatives series. Another series is what we call or what we will be calling Waldo Wonders. So si Waldo magwa-wander siya through other pitmasters, other smokehouses. So it's like a food vlog. Inisip ko pa ang gagawin siya parang motovlog pero medyo too much na yon. So it's like a food vlogging but very niche to smokehouses, smoke meat. So I'll be featuring the backyard smokers, yung mga sa backyard lang, mag-o-offer lang for a certain period of time, mga online, and of course the brick and mortar smokehouses. In terms of scheduling on that, I need to coordinate with the owners. Pero the main goal for that series is to have smoking or smoke meat mainstream in this society, to give you more options near you na pwede kayong umorder anytime you want, no. And would it affect the Woodchuck Waldo passion project business, the smoke meat? I don't think so kasi ang daming nag-i-inquire sa akin lately na malalayo, and I was trying to direct them to pitmasters or smokehouses near them. So what if I'll do a content to pinpoint where are the pitmasters near you who can offer maybe the same or I don't know, better than what I do, and to help the small businesses, the established businesses, the smokehouses, promoting their products. So 2 series coming up for 2025, the creatives, the Waldo Wonders. So what's next for the passion project? I'm not yet sure. I don't have the confidence yet, but I'll try to do pop-ups this year and continue on the Off the Smoker series. And another thing, this is just a concept. I don't know if I'll be able to do this year, is the Smoker on Wheels. No? Smoker on Wheels concept na parang kumbaga maming gala. Di ba? Pares na gala. Just imagine it na merong tricycle, di ba, Jack? And then, may smoker yung sidecar. Tapos, nandoon yung mga smoke meat natin. Siguro, I'll start with pulled pork sandwiches offering. So, magbabay ka, punta ka ng establishments, and then you offer that. So, smoke na gala ang dating niya. So, we'll call it maybe, I don't know, roadside smokies or pullovers kasi puro pulled pork, pulled beef, no? More to that concept, pag meron na akong number 1 budget, meron na akong number 2 time, and number 3 confidence to do that. So that's next for Woodchuck Waldo this year, and I really thank you again. Thank you sa lahat ng support at nagkakaroon ako ng fuel to continue this passion project and this channel na meron tayong 500 subscribers. Not much, but it's the passion that's driving it. And yeah, I think that's it. It's been a long video. It's far from what you usually see from this channel na lagi ako nasa harap ng smoker and just fitting everything in 1 minute. So marami rin tayong mga details na nami-miss out while doing that. But yeah, this is just a video of thinking, a recap, and what's next for Woodchuck Waldo. And if you're still tuning in until this point of the video, thank you so much. I wish everyone a better 2025 and smoke on.
Woodchuck Waldo.